Hi, in this guide we will show you how you can use the WooCommerce Product Table Pro WordPress plugin to create your variation product tables and automatically insert them in your variable product pages. WooCommerce Product Table Pro is the best plugin to help you create attractive table and list layout designs that showcase your WooCommerce products just the way you want. As you can see in these demo examples, the layout is fully customizable, so you can choose which product information you wish to display, modify the structure of your product table or list layout, and fine-tune its styling to match your theme and branding. While this plugin is generally used to create tables for regular WooCommerce product types, which are simple, variable, affiliate, and grouped, it is also capable of creating excellent product variation tables where each row in the table is an individual product variation, and each cell in the row shows information specific to that variation. It can also automatically insert your variation tables on your variable product pages at different locations, such as next to the product summary while optionally hiding the default variation form, above the product tab section, inside the description tab of your product, or even create a new tab on the product page with your variation table. Showing your product variations in a table instead of the default form makes it much easier for your shoppers to understand the available options and find the variations they want. So variation tables are a great feature to add to your WooCommerce site. Before we proceed to creating a variation table using the plugin, please keep in mind this tutorial assumes you already have basic familiarity with the WooCommerce Product Table Pro plugin. And in this tutorial, we will focus on the plugin's variation tables facility only. So in case you find any of the concepts in this tutorial unclear, simply check out the plugin's starter tutorial videos for quick and complete clarity. Now let's begin with creating a variation table. For this, we'll go to our admin dashboard and create a new product table and use the table preset to get started quickly. Let's give our table a name and save its settings. Then we'll copy our shortcode and create a new WordPress page. Give this test page a title and paste our shortcode in it. Now we'll publish our page and view it on the front end. We can see our shortcode creates a general product table capable of showing all our products in individual rows. But instead of this, we want to show variations of products in separate rows. For this, let's modify some settings in our product table that will make it perfectly suit our requirements. First, we'll go to our table's Query Settings tab and then scroll down to its Variation Table section. Here we'll check the option called Enable Variation Tables, and now our product table is capable of showing variations in individual rows. Next, let's say we want to show product variations belonging to specific variable products only. For this, in the same Query Settings tab, go to the Product ID and SKU sections, where you have the option to select one or more parent variable products by their IDs or SKUs. When you do this, the table will only show child variations that belong to those selected variable products. There is a convenient shortcode option for this as well. You can add the IDs or SKU options to the product table shortcode and enter comma-separated values. It is especially helpful when you want to reuse the same product table to show different sets of variations simply by modifying the shortcode each time you write it. If you want to handpick a mixed set of variations for your table, you can use the option Include Variations by SKUs. This option helps you select variations by their own SKUs. There is a corresponding shortcode option for this as well. Now let's modify the columns of a product table. While the name and description columns are useful for displaying general products, for our variation table we want to replace these with variation attributes like size and color instead. In the table settings, we'll open the Columns tab and delete the preset name and description columns. Then we'll create a new column for the color attribute and name it Color. In the column heading, we will add a text element and enter the text color that will show up at the top of the column. And in the column cell template, we'll add an attribute element and select the attribute color in its settings, so that the column cells show color values of the variations. Using the same steps, we've gone ahead and created the size attribute column as well. We'll reposition these columns by dragging and dropping them next to the first column. Our product table now has color and size attribute columns that show the associated values for each product variation. Next, we'd like to add sorting icons in the column headings and make these columns sortable. For this, in the columns headings, add the sorting element, and in its settings, select the option to sort by attribute as text or number. Then select the appropriate attribute. We'll repeat the same for the second attribute column as well. And now our table lets shoppers sort the variations by the attributes simply by clicking the column headings. To automatically insert this variation table on variable product pages, we'll go to the plugin's General Settings page and use the variation table override facility. From here, we can create rules to display different variation tables on the pages of variable products belonging to different categories. We can also select exactly where we want to display the variation table on the product page, including the option to display it in a new tab, the name of the tab, and its position among the other tabs. You can apply the same product table to multiple categories or skip certain categories altogether. The plugin will automatically show the correct variations depending on the variable product page. While that covers the basic options of the variation tables facility, the plugin offers many more facilities to improve your tables, including checkboxes to help add multiple variations to the cart at once, the option to automatically multiply price with quantity for each variation and show the line total using the total element, the option to remove products from cart using a convenient X button created by the remove element, or show variation description in a tooltip. You can also add navigation filters to your table to help shoppers quickly narrow down large lists of variations and find the products they want. And of course, you can style every aspect of the table as per your brand theme and unique style preferences. WooCommerce Product Table Pro also has a series of premium add-ons that provide special facilities to further enhance your product tables. For example, with a global term relabel add-on, you can change how your attribute values look in the table using icons, images, and tooltips with additional information. This significantly enhances the presentation appeal of your variation tables. Also, with the Add to Cart from Quantity add-on, you can make the table's quantity element directly send products to the cart, giving your product table a fast and premium feel while improving your user experience. And with that, we conclude this guide for the variation tables facility offered by WooCommerce Product Table Pro. We hope you found this information very useful and are eager to implement it on your site. Please feel free to write in if you have any questions or feedback regarding the facility. You can also check out the plugin documentation for further details. Stay tuned for more guides on WooCommerce Product Table Pro facilities, and until next time, best wishes and good luck on your project.